Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the 2025 Morris Minor. Marks the revival of a cherished British classic, blending nostalgic design with contemporary technology. Originally introduced in 1948, the Morris Minor became an icon for its simplicity and reliability. The 2025 iteration pays homage to its roots while embracing modern advancements. Design and features. The 2025 Morris Minor retains the charming aesthetics of its predecessor, featuring a rounded body, prominent grille, and distinctive headlamps. However, it incorporates modern elements such as LED lighting, a sleek roof line, and aerodynamic enhancements. The interior offers a blend of classic styling and modern amenities, including a digital dashboard, advanced infotainment system, and premium materials. Performance and specifications. Under the hood, the 2025 Morris Minor offers multiple powertrain options. Electric variant, equipped with an electric motor. This model delivers instant-to-work and a 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in under 8 seconds. It boasts a range of approximately 137 miles on a single charge, suitable for urban commuting. Charging to 80% capacity takes about 3 hours, ensuring convenience for daily use. Nefton Westlake Mazda hydrogen fuel cell variant, still in development, this version aims to combine hydrogen fuel cells with electric motors, offering a range of around 400 miles and quick refueling times, all while producing zero emissions. Dell Motors' market position and competitors. In the competitive market of retro-inspired electric vehicles, the 2025 Morris Minor faces stiff competition. Models like the Fiat 500 Electric provide stylish retro looks and a respectable 199-mile range. While the Fiat 500 excels in city environments, the 2025 Morris Minor offers greater versatility and range, appealing to drivers who want both style and substance in a compact electric vehicle. Dell Motors pricing and availability. The base model of the 2025 Morris Minor is expected to start at around $25,000, while the electric variant is likely to cost closer to $35,000. Specific pricing and availability details may vary by region. Nefton Westlake Mazda. Conclusion. The 2025 Morris Minor successfully merges classic charm with modern innovation, appealing to both nostalgic enthusiasts and new drivers seeking a stylish, eco-friendly vehicle. Its blend of retro aesthetics and contemporary performance positions it as a note for the contender in the evolving automotive landscape. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.